city had a lovely gateway. And besides the gateway, there was this man who was sitting. So a traveler comes near the gateway to this ancient city, and before he enters the gate, he notices this man next to the gate and asks him, "What is it like here inside the city?" So the gatekeeper looks at him and says, "What is it like where you come from?" So the traveler looks at him and says, "Oh my goodness, it was so dark there. It was so gloomy there. It was so polluted. And the people were not nice at all. They were so unfriendly, and that place was horrendous." And then he asked the gatekeeper, "What is it like inside here?" So the gatekeeper looks at him and says, "Exactly as it was for you there." And looking at the gatekeeper, the traveler just looks him up and down and says, and he walks into the ancient city. After about 1 hour, another traveler comes along, and he asks this man sitting by the side of the gate, "What is it like inside here?" And the gatekeeper looks at him and asks, "What was it like back home?" So this person says, "Oh wow, it was beautiful back there. People were so friendly, and their homes were so pretty with lovely gardens and lovely flowers. And everyone was so friendly and so helpful, loving and kind. That place, I loved it." So when he asks him, "How is it like in here?" the gatekeeper says, "It is exactly like it was for you back home." And the traveler looks at the gatekeeper, smiling, and walks through the gate home. Now here's the story for you. When I said before that everything we see is a mirror or a reflection of our thoughts. We see things from our thoughts, where we are placed at that time. So what I want you to understand right now is that the first traveler only saw the not nice stuff. He's wearing those filters. So wherever he goes, he will still have those filters on, and the world will show up for him the way he's always been seeing it. And the second man was wearing the filter where he saw only goodness around him, and he noticed only the good around him. So when he walks into this ancient city, the gatekeeper says to him, "You will see exactly what was there for you back home," which is meant that back home is our heart, our mind, and our thoughts. So what is here back home is what we will see. So this is a moment for us to understand that if a situation is not nice, how could I change it, right? So the habit that we have developed of complaints, etc., without making ourselves wrong, we will take a moment to consider, how could I change this so that I can only look and listen to the voice of love every moment and every time.